What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to convert image to PDF on Android and iPhone. The procedure is same for both of the systems. And let's head over to your browser and just search for I love PDF and head over to this website. And from here, just select image to PDF. Here you can see JPG to PDF. I'm heading over to this one. Select a JPG image. So select an image. Suppose I'm selecting this one. Tap on add. And once it is selected, tap on convert to PDF. As you can see, the the image is currently converting to PDF and the download. And if you want to download, just tap on download PDF. And once you are done, you can also open it like this with this one. And yeah, as you can see, my image is currently converted to PDF file. Hope this video helped you out and we will see you in the next video.